Ever wondered what makes up the proteins in our body? Ever pondered about the tiny particles that contribute to our overall health and well-being? They are none other than amino acids. Yes, these microscopic powerhouses are more than just complex terms you might remember from your high school biology class. They are the fundamental building blocks of proteins, vital for tissue repair and growth. Imagine a brick house. Just as bricks are necessary to build the house, amino acids are necessary to build proteins. But their roles don't stop there. They are also essential for the production of enzymes, hormones, and neurotransmitters. Without them, our bodies wouldn't be able to function properly. They help in digesting food, repairing body tissue, growing new tissue, and so much more. So in essence, amino acids are the tiny superheroes inside our bodies, working tirelessly to keep us healthy. Now that we understand what amino acids are, one might ask, what's their role in the body? Well, let's start with the basics. Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins, and proteins, as we know, are vital for our bodies. They help to repair tissues, aid in growth, and are integral for our overall health. When we get a cut or a scrape, it's the proteins in our body that help to heal the wound. If we're growing, whether it's a child getting taller or an adult building muscle, proteins are there supporting that growth. And it's the amino acids that come together to form these proteins. But the role of amino acids doesn't stop at protein synthesis. They are also essential for the production of enzymes, hormones, and neurotransmitters. Enzymes, for instance, are biological catalysts that speed up chemical reactions in our bodies, aiding digestion and metabolism. The hormones, on the other hand, act as our body's messengers, controlling and coordinating activities throughout the body. And neurotransmitters? They're the body's communication system. They transmit signals across a chemical synapse, from one neuron to another target neuron, muscle cell, or gland cell. So when you feel happy, sad, excited, or calm, that's neurotransmitters at work, and amino acids play a key role in their production. In addition to all these, amino acids support our immune function. They do this by helping in the production of antibodies, which are proteins that can recognize and neutralize foreign substances, like bacteria and viruses. Amino acids also help maintain the health of our skin, hair, and nails. To sum it up, amino acids are involved in almost every biological process that takes place in our bodies. From growth and repair, enzyme and hormone production, to supporting our immune system and maintaining our overall health, they are there, working tirelessly to keep us functioning at our best. Without amino acids, our bodies would struggle to perform these vital functions, emphasizing their importance to our health. Understanding the importance of amino acids leads us to the next question: what are their key benefits? Let's dive in. First and foremost, amino acids are the building blocks of proteins. Proteins are vital for our bodies as they are involved in virtually all cell functions. Each cell in our body contains protein, and it's these proteins that help repair and build body tissues, making amino acids indispensable for tissue repair and growth. But that's not all. Amino acids also play a crucial role in the production of enzymes, hormones, and neurotransmitters. Enzymes, for example, are biological catalysts that speed up chemical reactions in our bodies. Without the assistance of enzymes, these reactions would take place too slowly to sustain life. Hormones, on the other hand, are chemical messengers that relay information and instructions from one set of cells to another. They help regulate our body's processes, like growth and development, metabolism, and mood. Neurotransmitters are the body's chemical messengers within the brain. They help transmit signals across a synapse, the gap between nerve cells, to convey information throughout the brain and body. Moreover, amino acids support our immune function. They do this by helping produce antibodies, specialized proteins that help the body fight off foreign invaders like bacteria and viruses. This immune support is crucial in maintaining our overall health. By now, it's clear that amino acids are more than just protein builders. They're involved in critical bodily functions, from tissue repair and growth to enzyme, hormone, and neurotransmitter production to immune support. These benefits are not just critical for maintaining good health, but they also contribute to our overall well-being. Our bodies obtain these essential amino acids through a balanced diet, which includes a mix of animal and plant-based proteins. In conclusion, amino acids are not just the building blocks of proteins, but they are also the foundation of our health. So next time you're enjoying your meal, Remember, you're not just eating but also fueling your body with these essential building blocks of life.